Welcome to Costa del Gulfo Airbnb and Costa del Gulfo Sunset Cafe and Campgrounds. Today is day 3 of the excavator. We have flattened out quite a bit of the area where we're planning on putting the earth bag houses. And we've got another level down there. Wasn't particularly planned out that way, but I'm kind of sculpting as we go. Just seeing what we got here and going with the flow and just feeling it. Down there will be the pool and some gardens. And then up here will be the studio, the house, the kitchen. And then behind where the excavator is where the restaurant will be. So, yep, we're getting there. The view is just insane anywhere you look. We've got the Gulf Coast right here in front of us. We can see all the way down to Costa. We've got Santa Marta over there in the distance, which is the volcano, and it's an old volcano, inactive. Over there where those mountains are in that nook over there. Down below those mountains is the Santa Camapin, which is their mangroves, which you can get kayaks and go through the mangroves. That's not far from here. We got William up there cleaning out a nice area so we can relax in the breeze and see the incredible view. There. And we're working away today. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and keep an eye out for our next video. Thank you.